Introducing Megavent Courtyard Retractable Roofs. The ultimate solution for year-round enjoyment. Megavent's retractable roofs are a fantastic addition to any space, providing a sense of openness, better airflow, and increased natural light. With just the push of a button, you can transform your space and make your neighbors envious. Fabricated using non-corrosive materials such as aluminum alloy profiles, stainless steel fasteners, EPDM rubber ceilings, and polycarbonate sheets, these roofs are built to withstand various weather conditions. The roofs can be easily operated either manually or with the automated feature. When it comes to warranty, Megavent has you covered. You can enjoy a 10-year warranty on the polycarbonate sheets, a 15-year warranty on the powder coating of aluminum profiles, and a 3-year warranty for the EPDM ceilings. Additionally, you have the freedom to choose from 4 polycarbonate types and a palette of colors for the aluminum profiles, allowing you to customize your retractable roof to suit your unique style. Experience the transformative power of Megavent retractable roofs for your courtyard or outdoor space. Say goodbye to limitations imposed by weather conditions and embrace the freedom to enjoy your space year-round. Contact us now and let us help you